Hi guys, it's Dreams AVI here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use the new Funimate 3D update, which is very exciting. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use the Funimate 3D cameras. So, first of all, you gotta go to Layer, add your 3D scene. Now, go again to Layer, tap Image. Now that I've added my picture in, everything is going to be really easy. So, as you can see in the left bottom corner, we have View Default, which is the default view of the Funimate 3D. Now, if you tap it, as you can see, we have Select View, Default, or Custom. So, if you click Custom, you're gonna be met up with a lot of cool options, such like rotating the camera left and right to see your picture from different angles. So, you can see how the 3D space turns around so the picture can be seen from different angles. Then we have Vertical, which turns the 3D space up and down so you can see the picture from a different angle. So now we have Zoom, and Zoom just zooms in the 3D space onto the object. Now that we finished understanding these two, which is the one being default and one being custom with different options, we have an even more special camera feature. So if you tap your layers, you now have the camera layer. And if we add it like this, as you can see, we're able to go to keyframe and use transform to move the camera all around the 3D space. So let's say, for example, I want to make the camera look at the picture from a different angle. So we're gonna add the keyframe at the start of the camera and one at the end of the camera. And I'm gonna change the Y position so it goes up. Now, I'm gonna scroll down into the transform and I'm gonna go to rotation X and I'm gonna add the keyframe at the start of the camera and one at the end. And I'm going to change the rotation X so it points towards the picture. And as you can see, we got a really cool animation of the camera turning towards the photo from a different angle. So let's look at it. As you can see, we have the picture staying in exactly the same position, but the camera is moving around it. So that's really cool. For example, we can even change the Z position, which is the front back position. And it goes closer to the picture, like this. So how cool is that? Imagine how many cool things you can make with this new 3D camera update. So it's so cool, look. You can even change the Y rotation, for example, adding one keyframe at the start and one at the end. You can change the Y rotation, so the camera points in a different direction. So there's endless options. And now that we have our 3D camera layer, if you go to view, you're gonna have your camera layer here. So if you wanna go back to custom, you can see the angle of your camera, moving. So you can see it. See how it goes like that? It's actually the camera layer moving. So that's how you can see your 3D camera layer moving, as you can see, from the keyframes that we've placed in. So this is all with the new camera layers. It's really easy to use, really fun, and it empowers our creativity. So it's really, really nice to have this, and it's gonna be so great for all of the editors out there.